the demand for CBAP professionals in emerging economies. CBAP, from the EBA, is a globally recognized certification. It validates advanced business analysis skills. It means a professional has mastered the CBAP guide. It is a framework. It covers key areas, tasks, and techniques for effective business analysis. Emerging economies like India, Brazil, and South Africa are rapidly industrializing. Several Southeast Asian and African countries are too. They are also undergoing digital transformation and globalization. Digital transformation and technology adoption. Emerging economies are seeing major tech advances. Businesses are digitizing and adopting new technologies like AI, blockchain, and IoT. Identifying technology requirements, CBAPs excel at analyzing requirements for digital tools. Driving successful implementations, they ensure tech projects meet business needs. Globalization of businesses, global firms are expanding into emerging economies. They bring complex projects and high expectations for local talent. CBAP-certified analysts are crucial in these scenarios because they align local projects with global standards. CBAP trains professionals to meet international benchmarks. Enable cross-cultural communication. CBAPs work with multinational teams. They are vital for global firms entering these markets. Shortage of certified professionals. Emerging markets have a big talent gap. It's worse for specialized roles, like CBAP-certified analysts. Organizations in these regions are seeing the value of hiring professionals. Increased focus on agile and hybrid methodologies. Emerging markets are quickly adopting agile and hybrid project management methods. They want to stay competitive. Industries driving demand for CBAP in emerging economies. IT and software development. The booming IT sector in emerging economies needs skilled business analysts. They are vital for successful projects that meet client expectations. Financial services. Fintech is revolutionizing financial services in Kenya, India, and Brazil. CBAP professionals are at the forefront of designing innovative financial products. Manufacturing and supply chain. As supply chains shift to emerging economies, CBAP-certified analysts are vital. They optimize processes and integrate new technologies, like blockchain, for efficiency and transparency. Conclusion. In conclusion, emerging economies represent the next frontier for CBAP professionals. As industries in these regions strive to improve, certified business analysts will be vital.